Hello, everybody. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use ChatGPT. Yes, we all know that ChatGPT is an AI chatbot created by OpenAI, and it was launched in the year 2022 in the month of November, isn't it? But still, there are many people who don't know how to use this AI for their work or for writing or for learning, right? So today in this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT. So let me share my screen. Just a second. Yes. So here we go. First of all, you have to open Google and there you have to write ChatGPT. Yes. So then you open this openai.com. Yes. After this, it will ask you for sign up. So you can go there. Either you can create your own ID or you can log in with Google. Yes. So here now, after entering this chat GPT, you will get these things to see. That means how can you give examples, is how you are going to talk with ChatGPT or how you're going to command ChatGPT. It will also let you know its capabilities, means all its abilities, what all things it can do, and its limitations. Yes. Now, being an English trainer, I will let you know how you can search various things about English. Maybe you are somebody who wants to learn English and you want to know how can you improve your English or how you can learn English. So you can write the same command here. How can I learn English? Yes. So now here it is going to give you all the steps which will help you to improve your English if they are followed daily. Yes. So I will just read out the steps here. Learning English can be an exciting and rewarding journey. Here are some steps you can follow to improve your English skills. For example, set clear goals. First of all, before learning English, you must know what is your goal, whether you want to speak English, whether you want to write in English, or whether you want to learn IELTS, or whether you want to learn academic English. Okay, so there are various forms of English. Whichever form you want to learn, first of all you have to know that, right? Then build a strong foundation. Now how you will build a strong foundation? Start by learning the basics of English grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and sentence structure. Yes, there are numerous online resources, textbooks, and language learning apps available to assist you. Consider enrolling in an English language course or hiring a tutor if you prefer structured learning. Yes, hiring a tutor is very much important if you are a basic English learner and if you want to speak English fluently, or maybe you want to write a good content in English, right? So up till where grammar is considered, you can read books, you can practice, and your grammar would be improved. And same is the case with vocabulary. Now, for improving vocabulary, of course, you have to read various books. Yes, and then only your vocabulary will be increased. Now, only knowing grammar and vocabulary would not be enough. Sentence structure. Most of the time, I have seen there are many people who know they have good grasp of grammar, but still they don't know how to frame a correct sentence, right? In that case, of course, you have to go or you have to go to a coach or hire a tutor, or you have to go to a English trainer who can help you to improve your language skills, right? Now the next step is practice listening. Why is it so? Listening to native English speakers will help you develop your comprehension skills and improve your pronunciation. Watch English movies, TV shows, and documentaries. Listen to podcasts or audiobooks and try to mimic the way native speakers pronounce words and phrases. So, as today I'm talking just about how to use ChatGPT, I'm not going through all the steps. If you really want to know how you can improve your English, you can just write the command here and you will get all the steps which are needed to improve your language. It will be given here. Not only this, you can write anything like if you want to know the recipe of any of the dish which you want to eat, you can go for that also. If you want to improve your writing skills, you can do that. Even if you feel that you are very much good in maths and what all career options you have for that, you can write the command and ChatGPT is going to help you. Now here in the left hand side you can see here we have got a option for new chat. Now whatever you have written, either you can give a next command here and it is going to give you answer you accordingly. But then if you want to clear it, you can just clear it or you can start a new chat as well. Okay, now here in this box is for hiding this sidebar. Okay, after this at the bottom we have got upgrade to plus. Now this is a paid subscription. Okay, if you want to use ChatGPT plus, you have to pay for it because it is a paid subscription. Otherwise all these features are free to use. Okay, apart from this, if you click on these dots, you will see you have the option to clear conversations. Like you can converse anything you like with chat gpt, it will give you response for everything. Now if you want to clear it, you can clear from here. Or if you want any help, say for example you uh, want to develop any code and you want to want some help for that, how you are going to know that and this. So for that you can get a help from here, and we have got settings here, and after that we have got logout option also here. Yes, so after getting the response, if you want to copy it, you can use this. Just click on this icon and you'll be able to copy it, and then you can paste it again in any word file. If you liked it, you can put a like. If you disliked it, you can dislike. And if you feel that this response was not according to your expectation, you can regenerate it again. See, I will just click it on and it is generating the response again. Okay, now it is giving some small points, thinking that you want to know it in a very crisp manner. Now if you want only the points, you can also just write, give me only the points to understand how to improve my English. Yes, see here. Okay, so now you are just getting small points here. See here, learn the basics, that is, start with the alphabet, pronunciation, and basic grammar rules. Build vocabulary, expand your word knowledge through flashcards, apps, and online resources. Practice speaking, join conversation groups, or find a language partner to improve fluency and pronunciation. Listen actively, watch movies, TV shows, listen to podcasts and music in English to improve comprehension. Read extensively, read books, articles, and online content to enhance your reading skills. Write regularly, keep a journal, write essays, and seek feedback to improve your writing abilities. Take English courses, enroll in online or physical classes for structured guidance and feedback. Use language learning apps and websites. Utilize interactive platforms like Duolingo or Babbel for additional practice. Immerse yourself. Change device settings to English. label objects, and try thinking in English. Practice regularly. Okay, so now you are getting all the points in a short manner, so it will not take much time for you to read it or understand it. Yes, so I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like the video, please put a like and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.